you all about thunderstorm. What is it? A thunderstorm is a big storm that has thunder and lightning. When the sky is full of with gray clouds, there is probably going to be a thunderstorm.
How it's formed. Thunderstorms begin when the sun heats moist air near the ground. Warm air rises and quickly cools.
Did you know that electricity can pass through water very easily? And some lightning strikes the ground.
What did the wolf say when he got struck by lightning?
I don't know.
Ow! To prevent getting hurt in a thunderstorm, do not use any electronics and stay away from metal. I need to get out of here before I get hit by hail.